Building leakage and material aging are common construction problems worldwide. Qualified waterproof materials rely on strict R&D and repeated tests. Today we will take you into Luban Waterproof R&D Center. This is Luban Waterproofing's exclusive R&D and testing center. We've set up a standardized R&D lab here, outfitted with top-notch precise testing equipment. The whole process is under smart temperature and humidity control, with strict barriers against outside impurities, ensuring product stability right from the R&D environment source. Premium quality relies on a professional R&D team. Luban Waterproof boasts an experienced chemical materials R&D team with years of dedication to the waterproofing industry and multiple national patents. We focus on independent R&D to customize waterproof materials for varied climates and construction scenarios. Every detail from formula and raw material ratio to production technology is meticulously polished by our engineers. We keep overcoming industry bottlenecks in temperature adaptability, aging resistance, and corrosion resistance. R&D isn't the end. Rigorous testing ensures quality. Luban Waterproofing uses a full process closed-loop test, covering raw materials, semi-finished, and finished products. We simulate extreme weather, testing for temperature, tensile strength, waterproofing, corrosion, and UV resistance. Products must pass hundreds of tests to be stored. Subpar ones are scrapped, never reaching the market. Tough testing is our promise of quality. Through extensive R&D and testing, Luban Waterproof offers a full line of high-quality products. These boast strong adhesion, high ductility, weather resistance, and eco-friendliness without odor, suitable for home decor, municipal, industrial, and underground tunnel projects. All meet international eco-standards with authoritative certifications, ensuring stable performance in diverse climates worldwide, from scorching tropics to frigid high latitudes. From material selection to formula R&D, from extreme testing to product release, Luban Waterproof upholds craftsmanship. We empower waterproofing with tech and control quality strictly, focusing on quality over speed. Going forward, Luban will deepen R&D, enhance performance, and offer global users cost-effective, durable waterproofing solutions. Our coating plus correct construction equals long-term waterproofing. If you need help, please contact lubanwaterproof@gmail.com.